guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and become part of our home decor family. Now, if you haven't been here before, take a moment to scroll through some of our other videos just so you can stay up to date with everything that we have been discussing. In today's video, let's talk about how to effortlessly and easily, but yet beautifully style a small living room. As always, don't forget to check the description box where you will find a hand-curated, hand-picked list just for you if you want to implement some of the looks that you have seen in this video in your home. If you live in a small city apartment or even a small home with not a huge living room, you've probably already had your fair share of decorating woes. No room seems big enough for the furniture you want, and finding the space to execute all of the ideas that you have for your living room is almost nearly impossible. But listen, don't let your small living room put a damper on your dreams of decorating your home. We're not going to let all those Pinterest boards go to waste today. Just because your space is small doesn't mean you can't make it look modern and chic, or glamorous, or boho, or modern, or whatever style that you're going for. There are so many ways to transform your small living room into the most loved room in your home. Let's dive right in. Wall sconces are a great way to add mood lighting without taking up floor space. Maybe group sconces together for a bold wall statement or position them over windows for a gallery-like effect. This is the perfect example of a shabby chic room done right. Now, I love a whimsical moment, so play with different patterns and textures to give your small living room decor multiple focal points, which in turn make the room seem bigger. Don't be afraid to use pattern throw pillows and pair them with a pattern planter or a rug. A gallery wall is always a great idea in a small living room. It not only creates a focal point for your guests, but it gives them something to ooh and ah over. Another great hack is to incorporate mirrors or reflective surfaces in your small living room design. Mirrors have a natural ability to brighten up the room while also making it seem larger. I recommend placing it opposite a window to totally maximize its effect. When you're working with a small space, the furniture you choose can make or break the area. Light color furniture pieces with a lightweight appearance will always make the space look visually spacious. I know it might seem counterintuitive, but a larger size area rug can make a small living room appear bigger. When you choose a rug that's large enough to set apart the seating area from the room's other functions, you give the illusion of having a more spacious living room area. Don't forget to keep track and to let us know in the comments section which room is your favorite. There are so many good ones, I don't know how you're going to decide, but I really need you to. When a room is small, a lot of people stay away from bold, bright colors and patterns, but this room shows you it can be beautifully executed. Small living rooms usually will have small ceilings as well, so getting a low-sitting sofa is a great way to make the room seem larger and taller. Having a small living room means getting furniture that does double duty. Not only does this coffee table act as a coffee table, but it also acts as storage for extra blankets or throw pillows. Another hack in trying to decorate a small living room is to go for undersized furniture. So instead of getting a large sectional or a grand sofa, maybe opt for a love seat or a small settee. Alright guys, so I asked you to comment your favorite down below in the comment section, and I'm going to change it. I'm not going to show my favorite, I'm going to show a room that I would like to showcase, and it is this beautiful room. Even though this is a small space, they have executed everything perfectly, from the brown leather or the caramel leather to the use of throws, the dark walls. Everything that went into this room, you can tell, was well thought out, and it produced a beautiful room. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Stay stylish.